What if you could seamlessly persuade others of your capabilities, irrespective of your occasional self-doubts? This question is at the heart of Jack Nash's compelling book, Convinced: How to Prove Your Competence and Win People Over. Nasha takes us on a journey exploring the potent role perception plays in our success. Through engaging narratives from renowned figures and unique experiments, he offers a roadmap to leveraging our understanding of competence. Convinced is not just a book, it's a challenge to reassess and strategically project your competence, potentially reshaping your personal and professional relationships. It's about recognizing that perception often outweighs reality when it comes to professional success. It's about being equipped with strategies and techniques to project your skills and abilities effectively, ensuring that your competence is recognized and appreciated. In this video, we delve into 3 key concepts from this book and how you can put them into practice. The first key concept we are covering from Convinced is the concept of competence perception. Competence is not just about being good at something, it's about how others perceive your abilities. The book underscores the intriguing notion that professional success often leans more towards how people perceive your competence rather than just your actual abilities. This is a powerful idea that can change the trajectory of your career. But how can we leverage this understanding of competence perception? First, by tactfully showcasing your skills. It's not just about having the skills, but also about communicating them effectively. Second, by projecting confidence in all settings. Confidence can significantly enhance how others perceive your competence. Last, by seeking feedback and showing a willingness to improve. This shows that you're not only competent but also adaptable and open to growth. Remember, it's not always the most competent individuals who get recognized, but those who are perceived as competent. The second key concept from Convinced is the concept of positivity. Positivity is an underestimated force that can enhance your perceived competence and likability. The book presents a compelling argument about how the nature of news, positive or negative, can significantly influence perceptions. A simple pat on the back or a triumphant tale of overcoming adversity can elevate your perceived competence and likability. On the flip side, a single piece of negative news can cast a long shadow on these perceptions. Now, let's explore 3 practical ways to harness the power of positivity. First, always emphasize the positive aspects of your work. This not only boosts your image, but also fosters a positive environment. Second, maintain an optimistic outlook during setbacks. This shows resilience, a highly valued trait. Lastly, when faced with the task of communicating negative information, do so constructively. This demonstrates maturity and leadership. Leverage the power of positivity to enhance both your perceived competence and likability. The third key concept is the concept of successful projection. Even if you're highly skilled or knowledgeable, if you don't project that competence effectively, it's easy to be overlooked. It's not just about having competence, but also about how you present it to others. It's like being the star of your own show, where you need to shine brightly and consistently to capture and hold the audience's attention. How do you do this? Start by presenting your ideas confidently and clearly. Your words and the way you deliver them can significantly influence how others perceive your competence. Secondly, dress appropriately for your intended image. Your appearance can set the tone for your interactions and can either enhance or detract from the perception of your expertise. Lastly, engage in discussions. This is your chance to showcase your knowledge and abilities, demonstrating your value in real time. Ensure your competence is recognized and appreciated by mastering the art of successful projection. Applying these concepts from Convinced can help you win people over and prove your competence. In essence, Jack Nash's book provides a roadmap to success by emphasizing the power of perception. We've delved into 3 key concepts: competence perception, power of positivity, and successful projection. To recap, competence perception teaches us that it's not enough to be good at something. We must also ensure others perceive us as competent. The power of positivity shows us that positive news can greatly enhance our perceived competence and likability, while negative news can do the opposite. Lastly, successful projection reminds us that no matter how skilled or knowledgeable we are, if we don't project our competence effectively, we may be overlooked. By applying these concepts, we can tactfully highlight our skills, maintain positivity, and confidently project our competence. This isn't just about making a good impression, but about transforming our personal and professional relationships. Ever wish the wisdom of your favorite books could seamlessly translate into your daily life? Jump on board the Idea Express. Each review comes with 3 tailor-made, actionable steps drawn right from the book's core insights. Steps you can instantly infuse into your personal and professional realms. Subscribe to Idea Express today and learn something new tomorrow.